Well, we're in St. John's, Washington, and it looks like somebody's going to get a new combine. Boys are loading it up here. Sorry for the shaky video, but I'm kind of trying to walk and chew gum at the same time. Got an old 1670 sitting right there. Well, looks like they got her just about where they want her. I don't know how far they're going, probably not all that far. All I gotta do now is hook the tractor up and away they go. Well, I guess while we're standing around here waiting for a second, we can do a little inventory of what they got here in St. John's. An 8230. A 580 quad track. And his ground is not very even that I'm walking on. It's making it even worse. An old Steiger Panther. And a Case IH 9170 there on the end.